This repair video for the P0420 error code is specifically tailored for Toyota drivers. If your Toyota is showing a P0420 code, this is for you. P0420 is one of the most common error codes on Toyota. It means that your catalyst system efficiency is below the threshold near engine bank 1, indicating that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently. As a result, the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: exhaust leaks, fuel injector leaks, damaged oxygen sensor wiring, faulty engine coolant temperature sensor, faulty catalytic converter. Here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix Toyota's P0420 error code. Catalytic converter cleaner. Use a cleaner of your choice. Simply add the cleaner to your gas tank, ensuring you use the appropriate amount based on the specific cleaner you choose. The fluid mixes with the gasoline in the tank and works to break down the buildup in the catalytic converter, effectively cleaning it. Then you can drive your car for 150 miles or run the engine at about 200 RPMs for 30 minutes to run the cleaner through. Wash the catalytic converter. Now, the first thing you need to do is to remove the catalytic converter from your vehicle. Then take a bucket and put some water and detergent in it. Put the catalytic converter into the solution and soak it for 10 to 12 hours to remove all the crud inside it. Now you see it looks clear and neat. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter and P0420 by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. This engine code also appears in Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, Dodge, and many other vehicles. So here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix Toyota's P0420. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.